Go ahead.
Papa, please get the ball from the tree. You use the broom. That way we can play with it, okay?
Why should I get the ball?
Because families listen, okay?
Say again.
Family listens.
Family listens?
And learns, okay?
But why should I get the ball from up there?
Because you have to get the ladder and the broom.
Why don't you ask Big Brother Aiden to do it? Could you stop doing that? That's very annoying.
Last the bird nest is up there.
Do we want to hurt the birds?
No,
Why not?
because we aim at the ball, not the bird's nest, okay?
Just get the ball. Say that again.
Let's get the ball. Don't get the bird nest. Get the ball, okay?
What if we get the bird nest?
And then the mama bird will be super upset.
Do we want to upset the mommy bird?
No,
Why not?
because when they make a nest on the bullfight will be super upset. Then they will throw the nest away someplace else. Okay?
What will happen if you throw the nest away? When the baby birds won't have a nest anymore?
Sorry, Mom.
Huh?
May, see, you will be on top of the roof, okay?